Hi guys, it's me again. It's been a while. I have not been shooting any video for like weeks already because I'm so busy, and today I just decided to shoot one. And look at this first. Okay, I already have. Let's start right away because I am so excited. The last video that I made, that I uploaded, actually the one that I made in this room, is the perfume that I got. I had a haul during my visit sa SM City, and in-unbox ko, nag-haul ako sa mga pinabili kong perfume and then raw materials sa Chem World. So today I'm mixing the perfume raw materials. Let's just first get the empty bottles. I still have that. And see, eto sila. Lalagyan ko ng perfume ay 2468. Alright, it's supposed to be 10, but I used the other two here. Ano na tayo? Gawa na tayo. Because, I think magandang ipamigay sa ipamigay talaga. Okay, so let us unpack this para ma-check natin kung ano to. Right? Okay, I thought it's not recording, but it is. So these are 100 ml bottles. We will be using this for the perfumes that will be made out of this here. So here. So after nito is ilalagay natin siya sa mga these 10 ml na mga spray bottles. So it goes there, and then our scent for men, it's Polo. I'm not sure it's Polo. All right. So Polo Blue, men, 15 ml. It goes there. And then we have fragrance for the girls. Let's see. You know, I'm just alone here, and maybe the neighbors are thinking that I'm crazy because I'm talking alone. But yeah, whatever. So here, this is for the girls. For women, it's Fantasy. These two, it's actually inspired scents by brands, diba? And also one that's in the package. Let's see that. Ooh, it leaked. This is the DPG. I cannot pronounce. Dipropylene glycol. That's one of the main material ingredient. Next is, oh my gosh, this is wet. It is fixative. Okay, there. Just for you to look at it. And also we have mixing bottle para may label siya. So mixing bottle, we would know kung anong scent ilalagay dito. For him, that's for the boys. I'll just put it here. At saka ito is for her. Maganda yung package. Very, ano siya, for Christmas. Very timely and relevant. Timely and relevant. Okay. So this is for her na bottle. Ooh, nice. After it's mixed here, it will be transferred here, and then will be transferred here again. Yeah. Marami siyang process. And the important thing here is this one. It's really sealed. Dapat hindi ko ma-spill. Alright, there. Perfume grade alcohol, PGA. Really important. There. So actually, I'm interested in scents, essential oils. I have videos of it na nagbe-mix ako. But with the ingredients, raw materials, nag-ano talaga ako sa mga, like may mga signs kasi, mostly symbols. I'm just fan of this. Right. symbol siya. And maganda yung magano perfume. This is actually called perfumery. Maganda. Gusto ko magano chemist. Gagawa ng mga kung ano-ano. Alright. And also one thing that's needed is a distilled water. I bought that yesterday. So as I mentioned also the previous video, the instruction is here. Let's see. Okay, do it yourself. So we are going to mix this. I'm just going to take a picture of the instructions so you would also know. I'm just going to get a what will I get? Let me see, because it needs, oh, this is hard because I don't have a mixing something. Let me see. First that states here is pour 15 ml fragrance oil into the empty 120 ml mixing bottle. Is this 120? Since this is a mixing bottle, I suppose this is 120. So we will start with the girl. Here, this one. It's okay. So we'll just open this. 15 ml fragrance oil into empty mixing bottles. So this is for the girls, the fragrance oil. We'll mix this one here. It's really hard because it's not flat, but whatever. So I'll do it. Oops. So it's just, it can be like, since all of this will go here, kunin na natin to, diba? 15. Let's see. Okay, I already got an idea. If 1.2 ml, we'll just have to check as to how many drops is it. Since wala naman tayo yung dropper. Actually, may dropper ako. I'll get it. But for here, I'm just gonna get this. Stop. This is stopper. Stopper ba? Alright, there. Okay. I should have worn gloves. So, parang feel ko talaga yung pagiging mixer. So, here. This goes here. Alright. Okay, so yan siya. Ay, there. Yan. Balik natin. This is empty already. Okay, 120 ml. Add 1.2 ml fixative. So, 1.2 ml, guys, I have to search it. So, wait. 1.2 ml is how many drops? I didn't close it. God. By the way, 1 ml is 20 drops. Equivalent to 20 drops. So, pwede na siya. Gamitin lang kahit wala yung dropper. Ay, ako. Talagang pinapahirapan ko talaga yung self ko. By the way, sorry, wala tayong kilay. Hindi ako naglalagay ng anything sa face ko ngayon. Because I feel that I need to, like, let my skin rest. Continue. We'll put 1.2 ml na fixative. Now, fixative. Dito. Where is fixative? Okay, it dropped. But, this. Okay. So, it's about 20 drops. Okay, we'll add it here. 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. That's about it. Tapon talaga. Oil yun, oil. And after that, we'll be combining 3 ml DPG. 3 ml. So if 1 ml is 20 drops, 3 ml will be 60. So DPG will be 60 drops here. See, have to be quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 60, guys. Oh my gosh, kakapoy ato. Oh my god. So after that will be mix in 75 ml PGA. So this is PGA 250 ml. So we'll just need a 75 ml of this. Let me see. Bakit naman yung mga ml to eh? Yung 75 ml is marami yun. Kasi ito is 15 ml. 15. Alam ko na gagawin ko. Transfer ka dito. 15 ml naman to. Then transfer there. So 15, 30, 75 of this. Alright. Pwede pala eh. Pwede pala eh. 5 of this. Hindi ako pwedeng mag ano guys. Wala akong gamit pa kasi. Okay. So I'll drop here. 1. And then another one here. 5. Para naman may scent pa kasi ito. So dito na. Oh. Dito yun. 5. Alright. So that's about 75 ml. It's been measured. See, just have to close this one. After which, pour 5.8 ml distilled water onto mixing bottle. Close the cup and shake, and I think it'll. Okay, distilled water. Oops, I'm not really ready. I'm not so ready today. I'm so sorry. Just that. This. Put it here. Alright, so that's about it. Half. And we are going to put it here. It goes there. Yes. And there. So it still has space, so it could breathe. There you go. And we'll put the cap. We will also, of course, mix this. So it will stay in a cool, dry place for 7 days, or refrigerate this one for 7 days, and after which we'll have to transfer it here, and then we'll just up to us if we transfer also it here. But for me, I will be transferring it here. The process is very easy. I just didn't have the measuring tools, but yes, I'm able to make this. I'm going to smell it and see if this worked. But the alcohol is for the DPG. It actually, it's not harsh to the nose. I just reacted. Oh my god, why did I react that way? But yeah, this is it. I'll be making another for this scent. So yeah, but I'm just going to stop the video. So anyway, it's just the same process. Thank you for watching. Bye.